Okay.
Is that tasty?
What are y'all doing?
Maya's eating her first dinner in her big girl high chair. Mac and cheese?
Maya, you like your high chair?
Like mac and cheese? She likes the camera.
That's fancy.
Yummy!
That's fancy. Can you move your feet for me? Yay!
You excited? Want some more? Mac and cheese is good, huh?
Very good.
Some more?
Mama does a pretty good job of putting high chairs together and feeding.
Yeah, multi-talented. Yes. Say I love you.
Bye, baby. Bye. Smile. Maya.
Bye.
Maya.
Bye. Mwah. Mwah.